tell me what's going on?
Yeah, so like I'm noticing just like on my left side, just some like weakness sometimes when I get up right away.
Okay. So when you go to take a step?
Yeah, like when I like get up like that,
Uh-huh.
like I can't put it down all the way because it's kind of like a shock or something.
Gotcha.
Or like
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know if it's maybe because since I've been slowly doing some more physical activity that it's been, you know.
Yeah. Well, that would make. I mean, as you feel better, you're going to increase your activity. As you increase your activity, you're going to feel what's kind of left over in there. Bring your head right down here. There we go. Beautiful. Nice. All right, now face down for me. Take a deep breath in. And out. Gotcha. One more. In. And out. There we go. All right, so yeah, your right leg is still kind of flared out.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is keep pulling the bones off the nerve by pulling them this way. So lay on your left side